Are you interested in learning how to run a Streamlit app within VS Code using the VS Code configurations? Then this video is for you. We're going to set up our project. So we have a Streamlit project, and as well as we want to have the config file to be able to enable debugging. First, we're going to make sure that we have this Streamlit installed in our virtual environment. And then we have these some simple Python code for our Streamlit. So it basically shows sort of a chat bot where you can just see the user's message prompts or the prompts from the user popping up on the screen. Next, we're going to go through the run and debug and then create a JSON file. And then we make sure that we want to have a Python JSON file. So it's the type of a launch.json file of Python. So within this, we want to change some of the parameters. One of the parameters that we're going to change is the program. So here we're going to pass the path to the binary of our Streamlit app. So here I'm going to copy the relative path to it, as well as adding two more arguments. One is for the run. So run is one of the methods within the Streamlit, as well as the relative path to the Python Streamlit Python file. So once you have done that, then you can see you can play and run the Streamlit app using the debugging mode, and you can put a breakpoint here. For example, I put it at line 7, and I can pretty much interact with what's going on and then see the changes within the app, as well as looking at what variables, session states, and things are happening. And even if I get an error, so I can track down the error using this debug console. It's very straightforward and very easy to implement and very interactive.